How to save money, 9 simple tips. Number 1, live below your means. Spend less than you earn to save more money for the future. Number 2, automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to savings accounts or investment accounts to ensure consistent saving. Number 3, prioritize financial goals. Identify and prioritize your financial goals, such as paying off debt or saving for retirement, to focus your spending and saving. Number 4, track your spending. Monitor your expenses to identify areas where you can reduce costs and increase savings. Number 5, avoid debt. Minimize or avoid taking on debt to prevent high-interest payments that can erode your wealth over time. Number 6, invest wisely. Make smart investment decisions to grow your wealth over the long term. Number 7, create multiple streams of income. Find ways to generate additional income through side hustles, investments, or other opportunities. Number 8, learn to say no. Avoid overspending by saying no to unnecessary purchases or experiences. Number 9, be patient and disciplined. Building wealth takes time and discipline, so stay focused on your goals and stay the course even in challenging times. By implementing these strategies, you can save money like a millionaire and build a strong financial foundation for the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time on a brand new upload.